Today we are going to be analyzing our piece of music with just the letters that the circles are on. So what you're going to do is you're going to come here and you're going to look at your first circle in your music and you're going to determine, is it on a line or a space? If the answer is it's on a line, then you're going to use the sentence, every good boy does fine, with line 1 being the letter E, line 2 the letter G, line 3 the letter B, line 4 the letter D, line 5 the letter F. If the circle is in between two lines, that means that it's on a space. If it is on space 1, it will be the letter F. If it is on space 2, the letter A. If it is on space 3, the letter C. And if it is on space 4, it will be the letter E. The only two letters that we don't either have a sentence to say for or a word to spell to help us remember are going to be these two letters right here. The letter D will always be the space below line 1. The letter C will either be called a ledger line or just a smaller line big enough to house the circle that is below the treble clef. So C is the line below the treble clef, D is the space below the treble clef. With knowing that, we are going to go to our music. And we are going to analyze the letters that these circles are on. And I'm going to keep this right here and I will move it as needed. Okay, so my first circle, is it on a line or a space? It's on a line. What line number is it on? It is on line 2, so my letter is going to be G. And as you can see, I've already have that written for you. My next circle, is it on a line or a space? It's on a line. What line number is it on? It is on line 1, so my letter is going to be E. Again, I've already written that for you. My next circle, where is it at? Is it on a line or a space? It is on a line. What line number is it on? It is on line 2. So my letter is G. And again, I've already written that for you. So now the rest of these, we are going to work through them together. My next circle, line or space? Line number what? 2. So my letter is G. So I'm going to write the letter G. My next circle, line or space? Line number what? 1, so my letter is E. My next circle, line or space? Line number what? So my circle is G. My next circle, line or space? Space number what? So my letter is A. My next circle, line or space? Line number what? So my letter is G. Next circle, line or space? Space number what? So my letter is F. Next circle, line or space? Line number what? So my letter is E. Next circle, line or space? Is it a space below my treble clef or a space inside my treble clef? Since it is the space below my treble clef, the letter is going to be D. Next circle, line or space. Line number what? My letter is E. Next circle, line or space. Space number what? My letter is F. Next circle, line or space. Line number what? My letter is E. My next circle, line or space. Space number what? My letter is F. Now for the next set. Next circle is line or space. Line number what? So my letter is G. My next circle, line or space. It is on a line. Is it on a line in my treble clef or on a line below my treble clef with the line just long enough to house the circle? So since it is below the treble clef with the line just long enough to house the circle, it is going to be the letter C. My next circle is what? It's on a line. Is it on a line in my treble clef or below? It is the line below, so my letter again is C. My next circle is on a line inside or line below. It is on the line below, so it is going to be the letter C. My next circle, line or space. It is on a line. Is it a line in the treble clef or below? It is below, so it is going to be the letter C. I'm going to leave you guys to analyze the rest of this piece of music. Please feel free to use your notes or the notes that I have given you so that you can be successful in naming the rest of the letters of all of the circles in your treble clef. Please be aware of when the circle is on a line and when the circle is on a space. Also be aware if the circle is on the space in the treble clef or the space below the treble clef, a line on the treble clef or a line below the treble clef.